In case you guys didn't notice, we're at a racetrack in the middle of a race weekend, so please pardon the background noise for the announcer. Hey guys, Tom at DSC Sport here. We have our DSC controller we're going to install today on a 991.2 Targa. This is the first time we're doing this.
Just ricocheted off of each other. One of them's down there at 10 in the gravel, and the other one, unfortunately.
First thing we're going to do is fold the seat back. And what we have here, the rear seats are already folded down. Good place to start. So with this carpet panel here, we're going to have to find the seam here and put our finger firmly into the seam. As you can see, this panel just comes off. It's as easy as that. So we have these three fasteners here, and what you want to do is just carefully push it out.
Snake eggs in the tires.
In case you guys didn't notice, we're at a racetrack in the middle of a race weekend, so please pardon the background noise for the announcer. So once we have this, we're going to take out these three screws here and just leave them here for now. So once we lift this, and you can see here, this is the PASM controller. So just like any other DSC, we're going to undo the connectors. And this big one here is usually pretty tight, so we just have to take our time to make sure we don't damage the plastic connector. But once we get it at the optimum angle, it should come out pretty easily. Yeah, it's coming out now.
And Tom's right, when it's never been uninstalled even once, it tends to be seated in place from the factory pretty well. So when you get your thumbs on there, you get it pretty well out, and here you are. Now it's time to install the DSC controller.
So DSC controller.
Plug and play again, guys, so you don't even have to disconnect your battery. You can essentially just pull the old unit out and put our DSC Sport controller right into place.
Yeah, we just have to make sure the key is not on. That's all.
Well, it looks like we might sort of even still be on schedule, since we had to bail out of our
So here we got the big connector.
Supposed to go up at 10:50, and it is currently 10:41. So if the track is repaired, everything ready to go.
And we have our second connector in.
Our Blu-ray should go off.
There we go.
Close to being on time.
And we're just gonna push this carpet up just like we had it, and then work the controller back in the foam. Just have to pay attention to the wires to make sure we're not damaging anything. And it's gonna sit back in place. And from here on, we're just gonna put the carpet back in and reverse the process.